Good day! Welcome to our math class. In this video presentation, we will learn about solid figures. With our learning target, visualize and describe the different solid figures such as cube, prism, pyramid, cylinder, cone, and sphere. Let's recall. What plane figures do you know? Alright, so these are the examples of plane figures, or what we call two-dimensional or 2D shape. Now let us go to three-dimensional or 3D shape or space figure. It has length, width, and height or depth. It is enclosed by plane figures or curved surfaces. When you put together a space figure and all points inside it, a solid figure is formed. For example, an empty box is an example of a space figure, while a block of ice is a solid figure. A solid figure that is composed of polygonal regions is called a polyhedron. It has faces, edges, and vertices. Face. It is the flat surface that make up a polyhedron. Edge is the region or regions where the two flat surfaces meet to form a line segment. And another part is the vertex. It is the point of intersection of the edges of the polyhedron. Solids with special properties have special names. We have the prism. A prism is a polyhedron with at least a pair of parallel faces. The parallel faces of the prism are the bases, which is the top and the bottom, and the other faces are the lateral faces. A prism is named according to its bases. If its base is rectangle, that is a rectangular prism. It has three pairs of parallel rectangular bases. How about this? It has a triangle base, so it is called a triangular prism. It has a pair of a parallel triangular bases. Another one. This figure has a hexagon base, so that is called hexagonal prism. Has a pair of a parallel hexagonal bases. A cube class is also called a prism with congruent squares as bases or sides and lateral faces. Another solid with special properties is a pyramid. It is a polyhedron with a polygonal base, bottom face, and the triangular lateral faces with a common vertex. Pyramids are named according to the kind of base they have. We have triangular pyramid. Its base is triangle. Next is square pyramid. Its base is square. And we have rectangular pyramid. So it has a base of a rectangle. And if you noticed, they have a common vertex. Now, can you name the vertices, edges, and the faces of each prism and pyramid? Now, there are solid figures that are bounded by curved surfaces and are not polyhedrons. We have a cylinder, sphere, and cone. A cylinder is a prism with bases bounded by simple closed curves, usually circles. A sphere is a solid all points of which are equidistant from some given point. A cone is a pyramid with circular base, and all line segments from a circle meet at a point called apex. Can you name some real objects that are modeled cylinders, spheres, and cones? Now let us name each solid figure. You'll find the number of the faces, edges, and vertices. First, let's have this. How many faces? How many edges and vertices in this figure? What kind of figure is that? Another one. Next. Next. All right. Good job. For your activity, answer practice A and keep practicing A and B on page 228 to 229. Remember, class, that in everything we do, Jesus is glorified. To end this video presentation, I must say, thank you for watching.